But would you buy that for $1?
That's so cool.
We're making a bread bowl. It's
Awesome.
an actual bowl to hold the chicken livers in.
Oh, that's going to be amazing because then you can just carry it around.
You just hold it and eat it.
Sort of. You're probably still going to make a mess, but let's give it a go.
Let's see. And it has to be quite big because it's got to sit over something to make a bowl shape. So like that, you got to put it into the oven to make the bowl shape. So it has to be quite big.
Gotcha. But thick.
But thick. It has to be thick still because it is still bread.
Bread, not anything else.
Yeah.
Not a pizza.
It's not a pizza. I've got my ramekin, and it's best to just check to make sure that it's big enough. Okay, I think a little bit more because I do want some little bit extra lip on this.
Cool.
Okay, but important, we got to oil it first. A little bit of oil on the ramekin.
Smush it around, the other sides particularly. I'm a bad cameraman.
Yeah. Okay, that feels well oiled. I don't know if we need it, but I've got the tray out, and I'm just going to put this one on this side here.
Okay, a little bit of oil on the tray as
A
well.
little bit of oil on the tray, because I'm not quite sure how big it's going to get.
Uh-huh.
You know, how expandy it is, because my bread is really expandy bread.
For
and
sure.
if you follow the recipe, you also have expandy bread.
It's the best bread.
Okay. Let's try and get it in so that it all sits. Oh, I'll put it on a little bit skew. There we go. Okay, so it should be right.
It's going to be awesome.
Oh, it's risen so much.
Let's pop it in the oven.
Remember, you can check the temperature on our website.
Got some beautiful chicken livers here. Cut them up into manageable chunks.
Bite-sized pieces.
Bite-sized pieces, yeah, because this is a street food thing. Taking you to Mozambique with some peri chicken livers. Look at my lovely plate.
Looks awesome.
We got onions and garlic and tomato and the super secret awesome chicken soup, lime, smoky paprika, chili, peri chili specifically, but any chili will do, sugar and oregano. We're going to start with those onions.
Always start with onions, Rick.
Always. It seems to be a thing.
There's a pattern emerging.
Learning how to cook on this channel, we are.
Yeah, start with the onions.
And those chicken livers.
Salt.
Okay. Just to get things started. Give it a mix up with the onion. We do not want to overcook these. We want them to not be pink inside, but that's about it. If you overcook livers, they become disgusting. As those are cooking, we're going to throw in our chili and that smoky paprika and the sugar and the garlic.
And he's keeping the other stuff.
Just not the oregano. Oregano is always last. Oh, that's starting to smell the pot.
Oh, it really is.
These look amazing. Just going to squeeze some lime. Pop in that shot of tomato. Recipe is on our blog.
So go check it out on our webpage.
Okay, last ingredient.
The secret ingredient.
That beautiful chicken soup.
Oh, wow.
Just let that simmer a bit. Add that oregano.
You're doing a little bit of parsley.
Yeah, we're just going to finish that off with a bit of parsley. You can add a little bit of milk if your budget allows, which ours definitely does. But don't overcook these, really. Taste of Mozambique. Spicy peri chicken livers.
The bread is ready.
It smells ready. It smells amazing in here.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, man.
Wow, what did we do?
Made golden bread.
It's like a UFO.
It's going to be way too hot.
It is going to be way too hot.
Look at that.
Huh? That looks perfect.
It does.
Let it cool down a bit and see if we can get our ramekin out.
The secret is you got to leave it until it's cold. So you
Right.
can pick it up. And then you just move the bread and the ramekin around like that.
Okay.
It's going to stick a little bit on the bottom, I think. Oh, no, it actually
There
just
you
came
go.
out.
Oh, wow.
Look at that, it's a bowl.
But no, okay, if you were doing this en masse, you could just turn a muffin tray upside down and roll out a piece
Yeah.
of dough and go for it.
I made a bowl from bread.
But this way is awesome.
It is epic. You got to do it like this. You got to do it like this.
I love that.
That is so cool.
I'm now very much prepared to pay like 200 rupees for this. Just for the bowl
Full
experience.
it up.
Yeah, we kind of messed up on the size of this gorgeous bread bowl. Because I should be using like a third of this chicken liver peri mix. But I'm going to use a half. But don't worry, we're still okay. I think we're still at like probably 30 rupees cost.
30 rupees when you finished.
Yeah.
Okay, but you could have made a smaller bread.
Yeah. But you're still going to make 20 rupees profit on that.
So 20 rupees profit on that, and it doesn't look small. That's massive. That's a lot there, Rick.
No, that's huge.
Putting a little bit of green on.
That's so cool.
But
and then all the stuff inside.
Pick it up, Rick. Let's just show them how big it is.
It's light. The bread is so light.
Uh-huh. But it's a bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. As big as your head. Get tucked in, Rick.
I'm not quite sure how, but I think
Oh.
we pull apart some of this gorgeous fresh bread.
Oh, that bread looks so good. Hard to tell, your fingers in the way, but oh man, it looks. Oh wow, that looks like good bread. I think you dip in or something. What do you do?
Yeah, then we grab a little bit. Actually, I've got a bit too much, being greedy. We grab, using the bread, we grab one of those gorgeous pieces of liver. Oh wow, that's so good.
Good bread, good liver.
That was amazing. It's a bit spicy.
Well, it is from Mozambique, so it is supposed to be.
That's top-notch tucker. Really. Oh, going in for another.
Go for it. Enjoy. I've got an idea though. I'll eat it. No, go for it. Don't let me stop you. Let me try. I think because it's like a bowl, you could just literally walk around with it. Just like this. You don't need a plate or anything. Just take off a piece of bread.
For sure.
Grab yourself a little bit of what?
Beautiful chicken livers that are not overcooked.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Oh, wow. That is so good. The bread.
Creamy and juicy and spicy and yum.
You just want to dip it in, grab yourself a little bit, and just eat it.
Oh.
Oh, we got flying ants. We did overstuff it, and it actually cost 60 US cents. But would you buy that for $1? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm going to tell you something, a little secret. I would buy it for more. Oh man, it is so good.
It's unbelievably good. Flying ants.